Welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is bread halwa. Please subscribe to our channel. Like, share, and press the bell button. Ingredients needed: 8 sliced bread, 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup ghee. Nuts as your wish. Heat pan and add 1 spoon ghee. Add the diced cashew nuts. Fry until golden brown. Convert cashew nut in a bowl. Again add 1 spoon of ghee. Add the sides removed and chopped bread pieces into the same pan. Roast the bread till it became crispy. Add 2 glasses of water. Stir the bread with mix with water. Add 1 cup of sugar. Stir well. Again add 1 spoon of ghee. Add 2 tablespoons of dairy powder. Again add 1 spoon of ghee. Add the roasted cashew. Mix well. When it becomes thick and dry, switch off the pan. Transfer into a bowl or container.